Let me just start a couple of things here too, by the way. Just stay with me for 1 second.
Hi, Dave, and everyone.
G'day, Dave.
Hey Ray, if you're talking, I think you're muted. I'm not sure if you're talking or not, but just hanging out there.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay, thank you. All right, just basically saying that the futures market are basically down. It's currently down 0.5% in terms of the S&P. And looking at the news earlier today, 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, we have manufacturing PMI within the pound, and the pound didn't want to perform. However, the euro actually was just going up. So now we have 3 in a row. Have 3 high-impact news. It's going to start in about 15 minutes, and see if we'll be able to find potential trades just before the report will come. Okay, so here's 30 as per analysis, but basically yesterday, already basically short as of yesterday. Likewise, when we discussed about the S&P, there it is, odds and probability, either down to around 2040, 2030, it's highly probable, but if we'll drop and it'll close around 2040 today, then odds and probability that it may create a new lower low and then correct itself, come back around 2050 by next week, and then bam, odds and probability is just gonna, the continuation of correction is gonna happen. Okay, so everything's all exhausted, in my own opinion. The VIX is basically the same, so odds and probability that the VIX could have a bit of a rebound. It's definitely more than likely to occur as well. So it's within that demand level, right? So easy peasy, basically. Okay, so that's basically where it's at. 2.88 right at this point in time. Right in the VIX. Okay, dollar index, that's important ones. Low 94.33, 94.31, and this is when the euro actually, the euro is a little bit higher. It's currently very bearish. Okay, so however, it's approaching level demand. There's still that sense of divergence between the dollar index and the rest. US one is still basically tanking. Gold basically neutral at this point. I believe the dollar index is currently lagging at this point in time. Chances that it may rebound is more than likely to happen in terms of probability. Likewise, basically for copper. So you're gone, basically the same. So yeah, the current's out of whack. Right, so let's look at the market. So there's potential trades. Euro created new highs not long ago, actually, so still very powerful. However, price to beat 114.95 to 114.95 to 114.60, 30 at something pips, and 10 minutes, 30, 15. Okay, it's kind of a long shot. And it's doing some currently level demand at this point in time. Currently it's way overbought. However, can't deny it though, it's just too strong. We go against it. Right, let's just look at Aussie quickly. 4 hours. Okay, this is a good one. Aussie dollar has more chances of failing, actually. Oh, okay, cool. Right, I'm short. Yeah, Aussie will be a better one. Let's look at the dollar CAD too. Yeah, I want the dollar CAD. I wish there was a higher low on that one, but it doesn't want to play. So I got a new higher high, and that's a strong one there too. Well, and kind of interesting. Okay, 30 minutes. Bingo. All right, so along the dollar CAD, so just quite a few here. High probability along the dollar CAD, short the Aussie. The pound doesn't really want to play because of that report that currently occurred as well. So if the pound is hovering around, then probability, yes, see it's already on the verge. 4 hours, new lower low, stabilizing itself. Strong momentum, probability to go to the upside, highly probable. Hey, dollar yen. Get created. Let's look at the low. This one, 111.992, 112. So create a new low today. 4 hours. Nope. Bearish still, but level demand. 1 hour. Currently level demand. 5 minutes. Hey, sweet. Might have. All right, so 5 minutes we have an M2 right there. That's a good one. Okay, so let's play this game. Instead of 1 minute. S would have been preferred if you create a higher low over here. And the test rate.
Come on.
That's one good enough.
Good job.
Futures market is still basically 0.37, 0.4. And then just closing a little bit more. Okay, notice the long tail creating new lower lows based on the smaller time frame. Okay, so on the bigger time frame, on the other hand, yeah, it's still very powerful, too strong. Can't really fight that. Based on a 1 hour, same thing. Just create a new high, new lower lows. Just going to take some there. Then basically what I'm going to do, I don't really care now much about the last one. Just going to trail odds and probability that it won't do. Just going to go through there. Okay. So that's the last basically part of the actual trade itself. So it's now currently in a free ride. Let me put actually that to just the limit of it. Okay, there it goes to basically dropping. Okay, just 1 minute. Let's look at the time frame for a sec. So if it does nothing, if they don't want to go below this, then that's basically done. So for those who are having a quick look, all I'm basically doing here is it's important to, oh there we go, create a new basically low 13.1896. Okay. Still a lot of sellers basically in demand, in supply right here, but the pricing level demand 36. Okay. LD pick. We'll just close everything. Okay, done. Let me have a two based on the dollar yen. Oh, dollar yen basically got taken. Yeah, that's what I heard click earlier. So that was a quick one. Oh, target points actually got taken. Actually, I only have one target point, 6.2 pips over there. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Actually, let me just save that too. Save that too. All right, so those are the basic trades for today. Close positions. Total accumulated one was 144 pips today, so pretty cool. Share the screen ID so you can see it. It's not bad for less than half an hour's work. Okay. Fortunately, it's the leverage. Okay, so there it is. In the euro, the dollar yen, gross profit and loss, 262, net profit loss, $250. That'll do for the end. It's less than actually what we analyze it for 5 minutes or so, 15, 5 to 10, 15 or 5 to 10 minutes maximum, and just basically waiting for it to basically ride, and bam. Okay, so not bad for $250 for 15 minutes. Um, that's it for the live trading. Unless you guys have any questions for me. I know, Caitlin, what did you do on your end? Did you go long or short? Dave? David? Steve? Aside from Dave, did you go long or short?
Yeah, I went long with $1.
Okay, cool. Very nice. So, success, not success, Steve?
I will try that again.
Just a quick 14 pips.
Perfect. 14 pips is good. Sorry, Dave?
I was muted before. I went long the US yen, and all three targets taken almost instantly.
Yes, very good.
Across the three targets was 64 pips in total.
Yep, very nice. Dave? David?
Yeah, I didn't do too well on this one.
Okay.
I went along with the Aussie dollar because the candlesticks were too powerful, but yeah, it didn't quite make it on this one. So.
Okay, no worries. And then Caitlin. You might be muted too, Caitlin. No, Caitlin is still there. Hello, Kate? No problem. Alright, so later on, busy in class. We're going to go through a live trading class later at midday. So we're going to go through it again once again and see where it's going to be sitting at with the euro. But looking at the dollar index anyway, let's go back and look at the dollar index very quickly. I believe it is stabilized, or the price stabilized itself. And looking at futures markets, they're basically 0.5%. Both the S&P and the Dow. 0.55 odds and probability that the continuation of price to drop today is more than likely to happen. Likewise for the Dow, same thing, 7614. So like I said, already shorted basically yesterday, more than about 100 and something at points. Dollar index. Oops, on GLD. Nice. So it remains like this. 33, 31.9. And then I'm definitely going to go along with the dollar. Very short term though, approximately about until 95.30, 95.40 within this range. But we're going to do more detailed analysis later. So around 30 to 50% in terms of retracement. And if by next week this one will create a higher low, then bingo. I'm going to change my viewpoint. Hence, within the euro, likewise in the euro, we'll be short also the euro later. So thank goodness actually we're out, right? So currently it came back up, 14. So you can't really fight the power with it. Good. The only thing the one thing I love about it is if it finishes like this, so already tested all those lows, okay, so which is great. 4 hours, same thing. Depending, it will come back around 114, then that is it. And so 30 minutes. Look at that beautiful long tail. Ooh, that's actually weight. Yeah. So now they're heading back up. Look at that. So let's start. Who cares? Okay, I'm going to just do maybe test one right here. I know this strong.
Yeah, the yen's fully reversed.
Yeah.
And then some.
Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, well, Mike, Rich, Samara, Linda, I don't know if you can hear us. Three of us can basically hear, unless you are muted. So, okay, a bunch of lower highs. Okay, cool. Sorry, I think there's someone just manipulated basically the price right there. So check it out. Lower highs, lower lows. That's good practice actually. Training too. Okay.
Rinse and repeat and do it again.
Exactly.
It's almost a shame to go to bed. That said, I am going to bed.
Perfect. Very good. Okay, breaking through there.
There it goes again.
Mm-hmm. Still on the lower high, heading towards 114.04. "44 seconds, it will stabilize itself."
I did learn one lesson tonight too.
Oh yeah, what was that, Dave?
Don't trust the clock on your computer as much as the clock on your phone. My computer was more than a minute slow.
Oh wow.
Which is a bit sad. So don't be trading news events based on that clock, because certainly the chart moved before I expected it to. I was ready, but interesting outcome.
Okay. So,
whereas the
which
phone
one
is
did you
dead
try?
accurate.
The phone, okay.
The phone is dead accurate on that network, but the computer obviously doesn't update often enough.
I see. How about the show time to end on this one?
That should be dead accurate.
Okay.
Let me see if that lines up with the sits. I presume that's from their server, not my system.
All right, too strong, and now the two forces are fighting within each other right here. So, class members, which one will have hierarchy? The bullish candle or the bearish candle?
Along the impulse that we've just seen? Just the most recent, say, 5 candles we're looking at, the bearish impulse?
Okay, cool.
So I'm looking at bearish having force, the bullish candles lacking.
Okay. So the bearish candles have more of an impact rather than the bullish one. Because of this. All the thing down here. Alright, back to the 62.
The bullish candles didn't break the high.
No, exactly. It's just a bunch of lower highs. Retest within 113.90. Stabilizing itself. 14 seconds.
That's a beautiful minute chart.
Hitting almost 62%.
I would be expecting that to go back down to match that low.
With instability here.
Yeah.
Okay. So new, still lower low, no lower high. So the odds and probability to create now a high low somewhere back 1320 is highly probable. So the M2, by the way, on the 5-hourly time frame, based on this, is was a success. Okay. Bingo. So 1403. Based on 5-minute time frame, still a bunch of lower highs. Either a new lower low back to 1380 or higher low back to 1390. Okay. I'm going to put a limit to 113.90. Should have not plus the spread. I just put 113.91. Bam. Okay. So bang the level of demand around these price points. Bring it to 62. Odds and probability back to about 100% is more than likely to happen. Let's go back to the 1 minute and see a bunch of higher lows. Running out of steam. So either if it doesn't want to break to the downside, then oh, bingo. So then we have a new lower low. Below 14. And can't meet the match. Fake out. Continuation. And then of course once we get to a much bigger time frame once again, bearish. If we finish like this in 10 minutes, definitely this is going to fail even further. Again, a 1 hour. This is also going to fail even further. However, odds are probably it may come back up to create a proper new lower high is highly probable from there. Okay. And then 4 hours. Beautiful to watch. If it finishes as a Greystone doji, and then it will come back through there and failure. Have a lot of divergence between the price and your oscillator. And on the daily time frame, same thing. If it finishes like this as a Greystone doji, odds and probability is a form of correction. It's more than likely to happen too with a strong divergence. Okay? So that is in terms of progression. Let's see. Can come back 130.99, 97, 98.
Looks like it's still heading for the 100%.
96. 5 pips more. 95. And notice in terms of the transitioning from a method 1 methodology to a method 2, and then guarantee in terms of method 3. Picture, bam. From a lower high, there is one there. Second entry point. But it's too far. And here goes once again, and there's a lot of momentum. The price needs to come back within the band. 3 pips. And thank you. Done. Okay, so perfect. That's basically it. No effort. It's effortless. It's simply just letting the market do its thing, let it come to you rather than you chasing it. All right, any questions? Okay. I'm glad it actually worked out so well in terms of the trades right there. And now it's back to level demand, odds and probability. It may come back up, may come back down, right? So at the end, at midday, we're definitely going to analyze this and see what would be the proper plan. So for those, actually, for members, like, you know, we made more than 200 pips already, close to 300 pips with the euro against the dollar from the plan from last week. We need to reassess that now. So the plan basically worked so well. Now, it didn't create a lower high on the other hand. However, there is a potentiality that as a form of a correction, we can at least make a minimum of 100 pips to the downside later on. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And any questions for me?
That was good, and I do look forward to live trading in 6 hours.
Yep, and intermediate. Okay, so intermediate class and live trade. And then
indeed, I'll see you in 5 hours.
Yes, and for the events, I'll see you guys in about 4 hours. For those who came to have a look, thank you so much for coming. I hope you guys also made money. The same with us, and happy trading. Good morning, good evening, good night, depending on where you're at. See you guys.
Thanks,
See you, Ray.
Bye.